Hi, my name is Christina, and today I'm going to talk about tools and equipment that you need when you first start to make jewelry. But first, I will tell you a little about what I did, and please do not do what I did. Oh God, it's so crazy, I'm telling you. First, I watched all these YouTube tutorials. Thank you for those. So I had an idea about what tools and equipment I needed. So I went to all these different online stores, and there are a zillion of them. And I went berserk like this. Tunnel vision, really. I was just, oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I gotta have that and that one and that one and that one and that one. And you know what? They have sales section. Oh my God. Everything is really cheap there. And I scroll down at every store, scrolling down. I gotta have this and that one. Oh, that's cheap and that's cheap and that's cheap. So I ended up with a lot of things that I will never use. I probably have beads and findings for like $100 that I will never use. And that's a complete waste of money. You know, it's ridiculous. Because me as a person, I like silver findings, black beads, pink beads, crystal beads, and white beads. That's mainly the colors I use for myself. So why do I have green, blue, yellow, gray, and purple? I don't use that. It's ridiculous. Well, so take a deep breath before you go online and order things, because it might get out of hand, you know? Buy the things that you first need, the basic things, nothing else. Because when you first start out, you don't really know whether you like it or not, so you don't need to have that very expensive crimping tool or the fanciest plier, you know? Buy the basic things and figure out if you like it before you start adding up in your little boxes with beads. The first thing you will need is pliers, and I have several, but I only use 4. The main thing that I use is these flat nose pliers. See? One is slightly bent, it's easy. You use this to open jump rings and close them. And you also use this as a crimping tool for crimping beads, right? So 2 flat nose pliers. And of course, you need a round nose plier. That's to make loops with. And you will also need a cutter to cut off your wires and your head pins. Very handy. I have other cutters, but I never use them. And I also have other round nose pliers and flat nose pliers, but these are the 4 main pliers that I use. And I think the black and green ones are bought at a hardware store, and this is bought online on a bead store. The main thing you need when you first start out, that's head pins in different lengths. And if you like memory wire bracelets and earrings, you can use memory wire. You also need some clasps to close them off with. Ear hooks or studs if you like that. You will need some sort of chain. And you will also need jump rings. And I usually use 4 or 5 millimeters. You really don't need anything else. And you will also need some sort of crimping beads. And I use this small 1 millimeter crimping beads. That is to close off your wires, make the clasp stay in place. And you will need some sort of beading wire. Here's a black one, but these comes in all different colors. And if you like stretch bracelet, you can use a stretch cord like this. It's stretchy, you see? That's about it. That's the basic, what you need when you first start out. I will be so happy if you wrote a comment down below and tell me how it was for you when you first started to make jewelry. And if you get stuck in your jewelry making because you lack of some findings, you can watch this video. There I will show you how to make your own findings with head pins. And I will be so grateful if you subscribe to my channel. And if you don't want to miss out on any content, hit that bell notification. This was all for now. Bye bye.